Welcome to this part. We will look at part 18, some more questions on Azure AI 900. So, people who are looking for getting into an AI career, or even if you are well established with your career in IT field and you want to move to AI or just enhance your skills around AI. So this is a good certification to start with. So if we scan through the questions now, so we are talking about what is a calculated probability of a correct image classification. See, the first thing is here when we are saying if the image classification, what is the probability of this being correct or not? So confidence is that stuff. So if you see this confidence section, you read this. So what it will do is it will give you a probability. It will express 0 or 1, any between values between 0 and 1, any value. It may be 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3. It will give a value. High confidence means that the model is sure that it has done a good job, and low confidence, that is anything near to 0, means the model is not certain or very less certain that they are doing a good job. So confidence should be our answer. See, sentiment we will eliminate. The reason we are eliminating is we all understand sentiments means something to do with emotion, and this question is, while doing a image classification, will you use emotion? We will not use emotion. And then if you talk about accuracy is like if you are if you have said a model has classified the image correctly, so it is calculated as a ratio of correctly classified images to the number of images. If number of images is 10 and you are telling that I have rightly classified only 10 images, like number of images are 100 and you have only classified correctly 10, so 10% is your accuracy. Now, how do you know, boss? How do you know that 10 images have been classified correctly? Who told it is correct? Who told it is correct? Did Kamala Harris say it is correct? Did Trump say it is correct? Who told it is correct? But this confidence told, no, I told you, confidence near to 1 means right, this is good. That is why we know that 10 are good. Confidence would be our answer. See, now what we do in a lot of client places is client is saying, boss, give me a bot, okay, and we will give it to business users. They will ask questions. When you ask question, what happens? It queries the knowledge base. Like, this is your knowledge base and this is your chatbot. When you ask question, what happens? It fires a query against this and gets the data for you by using NLP, natural language processing. So if you want to build this system, you want to build a bot and you want to make use of NLP, which two service will you use? Where? Azure AI, boss. Azure AI. Which two service will you use? See, what are you trying to build the bot for? Question answer. Question answer. So we should make use of Q&A, question and answer maker. When to use? So you want, or you have a knowledge repository. You want to use it like this one. You want to manage a bot conversation that includes static information. You have your knowledge base. It may be application interface documents, from your current projects. There may be white papers, technical write-ups, functional specifications, requirement documents, everything. Okay, so that is called knowledge base. This is what is a knowledge base. It gives you a context of what is a knowledge base. So QNN maker, it imports your content into a knowledge base of question and answer pairs. Okay, this is one thing I think we should definitely use. So we have to choose two services, we got one service. And if I just use common sense is very uncommon, but let's start using it. Why I'm telling we want to use common sense, because during the exam we don't want to waste time thinking about something like a form recognizer and say, hmm, can I use this for knowledge base? So form recognizer, the word itself says something to do with forms. In this question, are you talking about forms? No. What are you talking? Question answer. You're going to query, you're talking about question answer. See, earlier we used to call it form recognizer. Boss, pay attention, okay? Anyways, anything that I'm talking is all important, but this one is gold. Form recognizer is now called AI document intelligence. Okay, form recognizer is called AI document intelligence. Form recognizer is called AI document intelligence. So this is all about filling the forms. And so if you want to understand what is it, click here in the documentation. You see, it will give you a context of this enables you to build intelligent document processing solution. Wide massive amount of data, wide variety of data types that are stored in forms and documents. So we have scanned copies now of these forms and documents, and it will try to make sense out of it. So common sense says this guy is not useful here. Okay, where Rajnikant works, there Shah Rukh Khan does not work, because it is a Tamil belt. In the Tamil belt, you will not see North Stars attracting cloud. It will always be local South Stars attracting crowd. So anomaly detector. Anomaly detector, that means it is something to do with, I give you data, you will analyze anomaly and say, oh my god, this row is bad. Okay, like, I give you data and then you find out, oh, Takatak scheme 8,000 rupees from Congress, and this is on the borderline, integrity borderline. Is it good? Is it bad? Should action be taken? Is it like a bribe? We don't know. It's a borderline. Do we don't know? We clearly know, boss. We clearly know it is bribe. We clearly know. But what we do? We act. We act as if, hey, is it borderline? Hey, is it allowed? Okay, and then all those leaders say, ah, yeah, yeah, I don't know it is good or not. Let the election commission decide on it. So that sort of thing. Anomaly. You are detecting anomaly. This question has nothing to do with anomaly, so we have to. Now our second answer is so easy, right? We want to create a bot. We want to create a bot. We want a bot service. We want to create a bot. We want a bot service. Bot service. Who told bot? See, the moment I see a bot, I will use a bot service. This option is clearly common sense first thing. Okay, if you want to understand what is anomaly detector at a high level, you can read this. Pause and read this, please. If you want to understand what is a form recognizer, pause and read this, please. Now, if you want to understand how Q&A maker and this bot will work together like brothers and friends, how will they work together? So it explains you. You can pause and read it. These are all extra information just for those curious souls who always look to get something extra. Okay, so we have arrived at two right answers. Now this one, right? Your website has a chat bot to assist customers. See, nowadays any website I go, no, I see one chatbot popping up at the bottom and saying AI. Okay. So some of them are automated, some of them also lead to um, calls with the support team. Not calls, but an actual chat with a human being in the background. So eh, let's not go deep there. You have a website, that guy has a chatbot there. Okay. Now you need to detect what you want to detect. When a customer is upset, see the customer is typing and the call center guys are also typing. The customer immediately says some words like, I'm frustrated, I'm angry, why did it happen? So immediately you come to know, ah, that this guy sentiment is actually a problem when this guy is getting angry. So you should make all attempt, the call center guy will make all attempt to pacify this guy, pacify this customer. Here they are telling you need to detect. Okay, if you want to detect, how will you detect? See, you have a text. Using the text, automatically you want to detect, oh, this guy is angry. Simple. You want to use natural language processing. Now some people might say, hey, why not computer vision? See, there is nothing to do with computer vision. Computer vision, if you have a CCTV footage, if you have a video file, or there is a camera and they want to spot, okay, where is Messi running, just put the focus on Messi. There you need computer vision. Here computer vision is of no use. Anomaly detection, see, I again told you, anomaly, your data is there, you're not trying to understand the anomaly. Okay, it is all uh, it's not about anomaly, it is about sentiment. Okay. And regression is like we use it for prediction. Regression, always I say, whenever you see regression, we are making prediction like an astrologer. What will happen tomorrow? We're trying to forecast for a company. If your sales goes out this way, guys, you are going to make huge amount of money in the next 6 months. So natural language processing is our answer. You refer to the ability of computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It's a branch of AI, but what it focuses is on the process of interaction with human language, including text and speech. Okay, that is NLP. So this NLP would be our final answer. I hope you understood the concepts. If you remember these concepts, clearing certification is a cakewalk. Especially this AI 900, it is very easy to clear. You just understand the concepts. The problem happens is nobody explains the clear concept in a very good way. Okay, and that is why, you know, like, I have few people who are from data background, who are from BI background, who are from security background. They say, hey, learning AI is so difficult. So that is why we are trying to decode and go to the detail and trying to make it understand, like, interesting for you. I'm not sure whether you're deriving value or not, but if you have anything to say, any feedback to improve, do drop in your comments. So this is the end of part 18. We will post many more such parts. And you, one thing I would suggest, become a member, Cloud Kernel or Cloud Ninja member. No? Become a member and gain access to all those important questions there. Okay, increase your chances of clearing certification. See, here and there you're anyways popping up so much of money for some unwanted things. This one will help you with your career. If you pay 300 rupees, you are getting worth of 3 lakh rupees. Your salary will increase, you get into some key projects, you can switch jobs based on these certifications. And see, certification is easy. I can just publish question answer, you rectify and go, and probably you will clear. I have seen a lot of people in a month they are clearing 5 certifications. Okay, but these guys cannot clear interviews. 95 to 98% of these guys are not able to clear interviews even within their internal organization to move to a good project. So that is why I'm saying, be cautious, understand the concept, so that even you can clear the interview if you go through these videos. Okay, We are trying to put as much of concepts possible here. It takes a lot of time to take the concepts, a lot of time. We ourselves are not clear on some concepts. So we do our homework, we decode that. So that time goes in that. And that is why we are saying some questions are there in the members area. You become a member. It is just a way to, keep monetizing our effort in making sure you understand the concept and you are hitting the right answers. Okay. See you in the next part.